Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Mati. If you guys want to watch more videos like these, I do come out with videos every Sunday, so look out for them or subscribe. That way you guys are notified whenever I post new videos. So let's get into it. So I am so excited for this video. This is my Beis travel review slash unboxing, kind of unboxing. And I have been wanting these for a while now, and my sisters with my mother teamed up and got me some of the products because I am going to be traveling soon. So why not film it, show you guys what it looks like, show you guys, give you guys some information on it. So yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead. I have them all laid out here. They're all like right here. So they all come in a little baggie, and it says get lost, find yourself, repeat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start off with this. This is the Beis in-flight organizer. So the point of this item right here is so that you can go ahead and put it in the back of the seat. So you see how when you're in an airplane, there's a seat, and then there's like the tray, and then there's that nasty pocket. This goes inside, like that one half of this goes inside that way you don't have to be touching inside that nice little pocket. So you could put like little products in here. You could put some lip gloss, some wipes, some hand sanitizer, because you know it is a pandemic. And then on this side there's 3 pockets. I'm gonna be showing you a close-up, so I'm just gonna go ahead and talk now. So it has 3 pockets, a bigger flap that fits an iPad or a phone, and then it has a clear pouch where you can put your passport and stuff. So the plan for this is to just keep it in my bag, put whatever I need in here. That way I don't have to keep reaching under my seat to grab whatever I need. Everything's already in here. I have it. I got what I need. I need this. Boom. All in one simple spot. So I'm excited to use this on my next flight. This would also be great for a road trip if you're like one of the passengers in the back seat. If you don't drive and you're one of the passengers in the back seat, because sometimes there's not a lot of space in a car and you want to be carrying stuff. So you can also just put this in the back of the driver's seat or the back of the passenger seat, and then you have whatever you need there. Like you can have your iPad if you want your iPad, you have your phone if you want your phone, you have chapstick, lip gloss, chargers, whatever you need, you can just stick it in here. So yeah, so I'm super excited to try this out. And I'm also going to do a vlog, which is probably gonna come out after this, and it's gonna show you guys, if you guys want to watch it, it's in there. It's gonna show what I packed in here and how it fits in the back seat of the airplane, like in the seat in front of me. You know, y'all get what I'm saying, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys that, and I'm also gonna show you in that same video, in that same vlog, I'm gonna show you guys how I packed my carry-on, how I packed my personal bag, which is the bag that I'm gonna show in a bit, and how I packed my toiletry bag. So look out for that video. It's gonna be coming out soon, and if you guys want to get notified for that video, go ahead and subscribe down below and hit the bell notification. The next item I'm super excited to talk about, which I have not seen anything like this until now, and it is a Dopp kit. I mean, I'm pretty sure there's stuff like this out there, but I had not seen it. So it looks like this. Again, I do have a close-up, so I'll probably fit in the close-up right now, but it looks like this. It has a nice zipper with wiring, a wired frame. And inside there's 2 pockets, one little slip pocket, and then another pocket that is for the toothbrush. And that pocket is actually waterproof and it's easy to clean. So if you want to just take a wipey and wipe in there, it's very easy to clean. It's, like I said, it's a wide frame and it holds a whole lot of stuff. So I am going to use this for my next trip, like I just said, and I'm going to film it in the vlog. But in here, I'm going to be carrying my toiletries as well as my makeup products. I'm not taking a lot of makeup products because I'm not really I don't wear makeup that often. If I do, it's something very, very simple. So I will be able to fit both my toiletries and my makeup all in here. The thing that I was saying that I've never seen a bag like this before is, one, the wire framing, and two, it has a separate pocket in the bottom that it is also waterproof, and it's made for you to put like little travel bottles in. So that's gonna be great for me to put like my mini shampoo, my mini conditioner, my travel size items, as well as makeup remover, all in this pocket. And it's waterproof, it's lined. I might also put my brushes down here if it fits, just because, or at least when I'm coming back, because when I go, they're all gonna be clean, but when I'm coming back, they might be dirty, so I might put them in here as well. And I love, love, love this color. It is so pretty. It's like a minty green. It's called matcha, but usually when I make like matcha lattes, honestly, I don't just drink matcha like that, but when I drink matcha lattes, it's usually darker than this, so I feel like this is more like a minty-ish green, unless I'm completely wrong. But you know, this is what it looks like. It also has a little handle, that way you can hang it up, you can unbutton it and unbutton it back up behind the door. So yes, this I am so excited to use. I mean, I'm so excited to use all of it, but I am so excited to use this. It is like perfect, 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 perfect. And the last item that I got off of Beis Travel, well, that my family got me off of Beis Travel for my birthday, is the Convertible Mini Weekender. So they have a bigger version and then they have this version. The reason I wanted this version is because I was comparing both of them. This one is a little smaller, and I saw a video where someone tried fitting it in. You see how they have, like, in the airport, they're like, put your carry-on and put your personal items depending on the flight, and whatever fits is what you can take. So this actually fit in what I think it was like American Airlines. This fit as a personal item, and it is huge, huge. So it has the wired framing like the other bag, so it stays open like that. Again, I have a close-up, so you probably see in the close-up. It has huge amount of space. It has a little leather, faux leather, obviously, well, not obviously because some people don't know, but faux leather laptop sleeve, which the best thing about that is that it comes out of the bag, so you can use this in your other bag to take papers somewhere. It's perfect. And it also has 2 pockets, and you can just slip it in that pocket, or if you don't want to put if you don't want to take your laptop with you, you don't have to put it in there, and you can use that pocket for something else. I will be putting in that same pocket, I will be putting my in-flight organizer, which is the backseat organizer. I'm gonna put it in there. On the other side of the bag, it has a zip pocket, which has a waterproof lining. So you know, if you're about to go somewhere and you have a bathing suit, because it is summer, and you got this bag, you could just, you wore your bathing suit already, you just throw it in there, and everything else is gonna be safe because that pocket is waterproof, which means it's also very easy to clean. And then right under that, it has 2 pockets, so it is a huge, huge space. If I put my hand all the way in and like lay my hand flat like that, it goes up to like above my elbow. So it has a whole lot of space. And then again, I love the metal framing because it stays open. You don't have to like do so much. And it has a little key thing. This right here, whoever invented this little key flap, key ring, key, if it's even a key thingy, what is, a key strap? I guess it's a key strap because it's a strap and then you can put your keys on it. This is like the best thing in the world because even if your keys are all the way down there, you just pull on the strap and you find your keys. Boom. Simple, easy, perfect. So this is what it looks like in the inside, and now the outside. So let's go ahead and close that up. In the outside, you have a zip pocket that fits your phone or your keys or whatever else you want to put in there, your passport. It has a good amount of space. And then on the other side, it has a little pocket if it's zipped, and it has a little trolley way, like a luggage for you to put. You see the little handle of the luggage? You slip it in through there, and that way it's sitting on top of the luggage perfectly, and it won't drop. There's a bottom compartment, comes fully off, so if you want to just use this as a purse, you can without the bottom part, or if you want to put the bottom part on it, you can. My plan for this bottom part is to put my shoes in it, which is great. It has a little mesh lining on top, so that one, it's breathable. If you take it out, it's not, you know, if you put funky shoes in there, it's breathable. It's a little breathable. But it has a zipper in case you do want to just take it out and just leave it on the side, and you just want to wear this as a purse. It's still perfect for that. And it comes fully off, which is great. And if you want to just leave it on, you can leave it on, and it's perfect. So, and then it has two handles. It has two straps. Like, it has two straps. One is like how you carry a duffel bag, so like crossbody, and then the other one is two regular straps to hold it like if it's a purse. So I love it. And then it has like little detailing where it says, like, the little zipper says Beis, and I just think it's perfect. I cannot wait to try it, and I hope you guys watch the vlog that I'm going to be putting on next, because I'm going to show you guys how I packed all of this, as well as my carry-on, and how useful it really is. I will be saying that in that same video, how useful all of this really was, because I haven't seen anything like this in the market. Maybe there is now, but I know this has been out for like a year, maybe 2 years now, and I love it. Everything that I have here is going to be linked down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button down below, and if you want to see more videos, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the bell notification. That way you guys are notified. And if you guys have any questions, comments, anything like that, go ahead and leave them down below, and I'll answer any questions or comments you guys leave. So yeah, thanks for watching. Also, it comes with like a little luggage tag, which is great if you're gonna take it, like if you're gonna take not a carry-on bag, the other one that you put in the belt so that they could take with them. What's that called? Regular luggage size. You know what I mean, right? It comes with a luggage tag for that, and it comes with like a little paper. I had already filled it out, so I'm not gonna show you guys that. But this is perfect.